Let me ask you a quick question. Why do some people stay calm when everything around them is going wrong, while others completely lose it over a small mistake? It's not luck, it's mental strength. Most people spend their lives chasing comfort, avoiding problems, and scrolling through distractions. Then they wonder why they feel overwhelmed by everyday life. But you are here because you want to change that. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about how to make your mind unbreakable. No complicated theories, just simple real-life steps. Section 1. The daily mindset shift. First, we need to change how we look at problems. Stop wishing for an easy life. Instead, build the strength to handle a hard one. Think of your mind like a muscle. If you only lift light weights, you never get stronger. If you always stay in your comfort zone, you break the moment life gets tough. Every bad day, every rejection, every annoying problem at work or school, these are not punishments. They are your gym. They are training you to become smarter and tougher. When you change this mindset, life stops breaking you and starts building you. Section 2. Stop these 3 habits, the weakness drain. If you want a strong mind, you have to stop doing the things that keep you weak. Cut out these 3 daily habits. 1. Stop complaining. Every time you complain about your boss, the traffic, or your luck, you lose power. Complaining fixes nothing. Either fix the problem or accept it and move on. 2. Stop chasing comfort. Growth does not happen while you are wrapped in a warm blanket watching Netflix. Do things that scare you or make you uncomfortable on purpose. 3. Stop making excuses. Excuses are just lies we tell ourselves to stay the same. You can either find a way or find an excuse. You can't do both. Section 3. 3. Simple daily habits. Mental toughness is built through tiny daily actions. Here are 3 simple things you can start doing today. 1. Take a cold shower. It sounds silly, but starting your day with discomfort trains your brain to handle tough things. 2. Move your body. Exercise connects your mind and body. A strong body helps build a sharp, strong mind. 3. Do one hard thing first. Wake up early, finish that boring assignment, or have that difficult conversation you've been avoiding. Train your brain to do hard things daily. Section 4. Stay calm under pressure. Here is a huge life skill. Control your emotions, or they will control you. When life gets chaotic, most people react immediately. They scream, panic, or get angry. The mentally strong do something else. They pause. Next time you feel overwhelmed or angry, don't say anything for 5 seconds. Just breathe. That short pause gives you your power back. Emotions are like waves. They rise, they crash, and then they pass. Stay grounded, stay calm, and stay in control. Section 5. Failure is just data. Most people treat failure like a disease. But failure is just part of the process. Did you know Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team? Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, the company he started. They didn't quit. They learned, adapted, and came back stronger. Failure is a stepping stone, not the end of the world. Next time you fail at something, don't be discouraged. It just means you are in the game and you are growing. Section 6. Discipline over motivation. Let's be honest, motivation is unreliable. One day you are excited, the next day you want to stay in bed. If you only work when you feel motivated, you will never achieve your goals. Inconsistency kills progress. That's why you need discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you absolutely hate the idea of doing it. Don't focus on big, impossible goals. Focus on daily systems. Don't just wish for success. Build the daily habits that make success inevitable. Everything you need to build an unstoppable mind is already inside you. But listening to this video means nothing if you don't take action. Right now, you have 2 choices. Option 1. Close this video, go back to scrolling and stay comfortable. Option 2. Decide right now to change. Do one hard thing today. Step into the strongest version of yourself. If this message helped you, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more simple life advice. Stay disciplined, stay sharp. And never forget, you are much stronger than you think. See you in the next video.